Hey my beautiful people, how's everyone doing? Today is Thursday, May 12th, and welcome to another episode of me, Diego, a different perspective. So, yes, I am just starting a new journey with my new Hachi boy. But I'm gonna try to have this episode aired tomorrow. And I'm gonna just try to keep going with everything that's coming my way, and just have Hachi boy be part of it all. So with that being said, let's get started, my people. So today is the first episode of Shoutout Thursday. Yes, this is a new segment that I'm starting calling Shoutout Thursday, and I've decided to do a Shoutout Thursday every second and fourth Thursday of the month. So be sure to be on the lookout for that, my beautiful people. And for today, we are going to do a shout out to, drumroll please, Miguel Martinez. Okay, so now I'm gonna do in Spanish because Miguel Martinez es un actor y cantante mexicano. Miguel Martinez, saludos. Este video es dedicado a ti, te sigo desde la iglesia de Bujos, aunque me hubiera gustado verte ganar en Código Fama. Ahorita estoy obsesionado contigo y estoy muy emocionado de verte en Vencer la Ausencia. Te vi cómo actuaste en Vencer el Pasado y me enamoré y me trajo recuerdos de mi infancia. Y te agradezco. So yeah, I just wanted to give you that shout out. Y espero que sigas triunfando y que le demos todo a esta maravillosa audiencia que nos ve. So yes, my beautiful people, that was a shout out, our first shout out Thursday. If you liked it or not, please give me likes, comments. I would love to hear from you all. I think it's just a decent, not a decent, I don't know why I use that word. This is just a new idea that I had, and that's part of life, making connections and see what happens. So let's go and spread that love, people, and just enjoy life. Alright, till next time. Love you all. Bye. Y ahora el primer trailer para La Mexicana y el Güero con Miguel Martínez. Qué emoción.
Familia de un norteamericano excéntrico. El güero ya cayó.
Vamos a capacitar a los seleccionados para que no metan la pata.
Seré la mejor mamá para el gringo.
Esa será la clave del éxito de nuestro negocio.
Hi, family.
Soy Andrea. Tu hermana.